To replace the air filters, we go into the menu, click Maintenance, select Replace Maintenance Parts, and then Air Filter, and press the Start button. You open the cover. You open the air filter cover, and we pull the air filter out. We get the new air filter and slide it back in and close the cover. Close the cover and press the Done button on the display. Now the carriage is moving to the front so we can access the rear back filter. You open the cover. You open the air filter cover here. And the same way, we just pull out the air filter and we get the new air filter. Slide it back in and close the cover. And press the Done button on the display. And that's it.